Casseroles are a great way to sneak in veggies to those picky eaters, and I think this easy veggie bake is one that everyone will love. Okay, so now I have followed the frozen vegetables package directions and I've put them in a bowl. We've already drained them, and now it's time to mix everything together. So we're going to mix our can of mushroom soup and our cream cheese. And this is a vegetable cream cheese, so you know cream cheese makes everything good. All right, I've mixed all of our ingredients together, and now I'm going to pour this over in our baking dish. And once you get it completely spread out, you want to add your croutons. And I went and crushed my croutons just because I kind of like the texture of the crushed ones versus just putting sprinkled croutons on. So now we're going to sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And if you don't want to use California vegetables, you can use any type of vegetables that you think your family would like. So now we're going to put this in the oven on 375 for 25 minutes uncovered. This is an easy weekday side dish that everyone will enjoy.